Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will be teaching you how to do this door design. Okay, it will look something like this. So we're going to make a new one. Go to 2D view, you drag doorway, and then you change the size, set the length to 1550 and height to 2400. Okay, you can always change the size to what you want, and then you drag platform, resize it to the way you want. Okay, so here we're going to go to free modeling. Okay, first we add auxiliary. One to this side, one to the other side, endpoint to endpoint. Okay. Then click the side line. The distance is 200, okay? Okay, done. We're gonna draw a rectangle. Sorry guys, I think the line is wrong. The dimension is wrong, so set the dimension to 800, okay? The distance is 800. Okay, then draw a rectangle. And stretch it to 2200. Okay, right click to cancel. And then you have to select and then group it. When in free modeling, you have to group the items so it will be easier when you move it. Okay, next you can move it. Select endpoint and drag to another endpoint. So we're going to draw a rectangle in the middle. Okay, right click to cancel. Okay, I'm going to stretch it. Select the surface and then stretch it up to 200. Okay, right click to cancel. Okay, and then you have to group it first before you move it. Okay, move it upward. Okay, and then you have to stretch the side. Okay, sorry guys, you have to ungroup first so you can select the surface. You stretch it to 200. Do the same to the other side. 200 also. Okay. So you can select it and group it again. Okay, guys, you can see the gap, right? So this is another method you can do. You draw a line. You draw a line manually. Okay. Draw a line to the side upward 200. Okay. Make a rectangle and then stretch it out to 800. Okay. You can see the empty surface, right? So don't worry, you can draw a line. Okay. Okay, that's done. the surface will automatically come out after you draw the line. Okay, so you exit free modeling mode. So this is how it looks. There's no gap. Okay. Okay, then for the texture, you can upload your own texture. So this is my texture that I uploaded. Okay, the upper part, I remember to always hold control button when you drag it. This one I have to do one by one because I forgot to group the item. Okay, then you go inside, then drag the door to cloud, others. Similar door, quite similar to the picture. Okay, resize it. Click C button to resize it. Click Z button to move it up and down and side to side. Remember to hold control button when you move. Do well, first you can edit the material to wood, solid wood. You can change the material color according to what you want. Okay, so this is how it turns out. Door, find the glass door. So this is the closest glass door that is similar to the picture. So you rotate it because I want the handle to go the other way around. Okay, rotate it and resize it. Side button direction. Lighting, go to lighting. You can drag anything, any kind of spotlight you want. So button to resize it. Okay, click shift and move. It will automatically copy the item. Okay, and then you move it to the side. Okay. Okay. Now you've put your spotlight and your door is done. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching.